Okay, with the Tesla, when you want to have the Wi-Fi while driving, you'll find that you go from Wi-Fi connected, and then you put the car in drive or reverse, and you'll find that the Wi-Fi goes away. So if you want to reconnect to the Wi-Fi, hit the icon again, and then you just turn Wi-Fi back on in settings, and then it'll reconnect, or you can add your hotspot to it that way. Oops, get it all three in there. So hit there, settings, turn the Wi-Fi on, and then you can connect to your hotspot or whatever. You'll have to perform this procedure every time you shift out of park until you want to connect back to LTE or have parked and want to connect to regular Wi-Fi.